In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom emoji in Slack. Whether you're looking to inject some personality into your team chats or just have a little fun, adding a custom emoji can bring an extra touch of creativity to your conversations. Let's make this process simple and clear so you can start using your personalized emojis in no time. First, navigate to your Slack workspace and locate the message field where you usually type your messages. You'll notice a small smiley face icon right there. This icon is your gateway to all the fun and expressive emojis at your disposal. Click on this smiley face icon to open the emoji menu. This menu is where you'll find all the emojis you've been using, but today we're focusing on adding something new. Once the emoji menu pops up, look for the option labeled Add Emoji. This is your next destination. Clicking on Add Emoji will guide you to a new window where the magic happens. You'll see a prompt to upload an image. This is the moment to choose the specific image you want to transform into an emoji. Take a moment to ensure that your image is clear and appropriately sized, as a small and square image generally works best for custom emojis. A tip here is to use simple, high-contrast images that will stand out at emoji size. After you've selected your desired image, it's time to give your new emoji a name. This step is crucial, as this name will be your shortcut to use the emoji whenever you need it. Think of something unique and easy to remember, as this will make it much easier to incorporate into your Slack communications. Try to avoid spaces and special characters, as these can complicate the naming process. Once you've settled on a name, you're ready to save your creation. To finalize the process, simply click Save, and just like that, your custom emoji is ready for action. It will now appear in your emoji menu alongside all the default emojis, ready to add a personal touch to your messages. To use your new emoji, just type a colon followed by the name you've given it. Slack's intuitive interface will help autocomplete the name for you, making it even easier to use. By following these steps, you've now expanded your emoji arsenal with a new addition tailored just for you and your team. Custom emojis offer a unique way to express reactions, inside jokes, and creative flair, so feel free to get creative and enjoy this fun feature of Slack. Don't underestimate the power of these small icons to enhance your team's communication and make your workspace feel more connected and lively. Thanks for watching, and happy emoji creating!